Capt Peia. Give us an update how the sail's going and how the new guys are,
Yeah, it's been really nice and smooth since we left. So the crews are doing really well in steering, but I think tonight will be a little bit tougher. Clouds starting to cover. It will be hard for us to find the stars tonight for them to steer. But we got a consistent swells coming in from the southeast. The wind's going to stay there right through till the morning, so that will give us a good guide for us to steer tonight.
That's a nice sunset, as we can see, but any tips like you give to the guys trying to navigate, like where to go and how to use that?
Yeah, it's the older guys, I've trained them, they're giving them the basics of traditional navigations. Now we're using the sun to steer by as she goes down, and then later we hopefully will see stars and we can move on to the stars to steer by for us to pull Aitutaki out of the water.
How's the weather looking from here for the rest of the night?
I think it's going to be wet tonight. Couple showers coming in, so I think that's what's going to give us a little bit more difficulty in steering. We're probably going to rely on the wind and more the consistent swells that comes from the southeast. That's about it.
How fast do you reckon you guys been going?
We've been holding from 5 knots to 7 knots steady. So we'll see Aitutaki early in the morning. We're probably going to go in first light.
All right, cool. Thanks very much.